I got the gigglies, I got the giggly wigglies. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? KG, Rough to Be Rough TV. We are back with another exercise tutorial. So this is a super simple exercise to set up. Today, we're gonna be using the Smith machine. Now, we're gonna be covering the body weight inverted row. Now, the thing I like about the Smith machine inverted row is that anybody could do it. I've had 90-year-old grandmas do this. I've had athletes do this. Cool thing about this exercise is that you can adjust it to any athlete, whether we're gonna progress it, make it more difficult or easy. So the easiest way to go about the inverted row is ideally a place that you want to start it is about chest height or so. So this is a good exercise if you're not able to do pull-ups and you want to start progressing into doing an actual pull-up. So from here, you're going to walk yourself under the bar. You're going to lean yourself back, and all we're doing is locking out the body. I'm up on my toes, and then body's nice and straight. We're posteriorly tilting the hips, and then you're going to pull your body chest to bar. Now you can pick your set and rep scheme to whatever your goal may be. Now, if we want to make this exercise more difficult, the quickest, fastest thing we can do is we can take the Smith machine bar out, take the J hooks out, and then we lower it down. Now that's gonna flatten out our body weight, our body more, which means we're gonna have more weight to pull up. What's up, Joe? Oh. So from here, I'm directly underneath the bar, and now the goal is the chest has to touch the bar. If your chest is not able to touch the bar, then you may be progressing too quickly. The most difficult, so I got a bench right behind you, love. So we can go full inverted row, scooching the bench. Now you can use a plyo box or whatever your gym has. Now from here, you may have to make some subtle adjustments, but you're just gonna place the heels up on top of the box. Your chest or your shoulders are gonna be right below the bar. I'm gonna push this out just a little bit here. A little bit more. Feet are gonna go up on top of the box. Now you have full inverted row. And as long, like I said, as long as your chest can touch the bar. So there we have it. We got Smith machine inverted row. You can progress easy, medium, or a difficult version of the inverted row. Hope you guys liked the video today. Thanks for tuning in. I'm KG, Rough to Be Rough TV. Peace. That wasn't so bad.